Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Pauhl, sales representative, Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing at Unit 1, 55 Madonna Drive on the West Hamilton Mountain.
This gorgeous 2-year-old townhouse features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an amazing upgraded kitchen. Let's take a closer look inside.
Thank you for visiting us at Unit 1, 55 Madonna Drive on the West Hamilton Mountain. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Hamilton, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle, and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.